Hey guys, just wanted to I'm gonna take y'all in, try to keep up with this. Bird seed, birds. The Bible says something about how the birds don't worry, because God will take care of them. And I like to make a running joke around here. Add to that, it's because they got someone like me who's always feeding them. But seriously though, wherever you live, put up a bird feeder. Got this little bench. When we moved here, it was here. The people who lived here before played music. It's an old piano bench. And I'm using it now for bird feeder. Put that out there. Deer like to go out there and eat. Sometimes I put a camera out there and I'll catch them in the middle of the night eating and stuff. When we first moved here, house had been vacant for a few years. A lot of this stuff was way overgrown. I'm clearing it out, cleaning it up. We'll do another one. That's my backyard feeder. Come around. Up here. And this is our little front patio garden area. Where I got my front feeder. I saw a blue jay out at the bird bath, which reminded me to feed him. He might have been. They'll ask for it. Blue jays will actually they'll eat out your hand if you get them used to you enough. I'm in the process of doing that. I haven't gotten them to do it yet. And crows will too. I hear they like peanuts. Boom. Japanese maple. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share. If I can ever get them to eat out my hand, I'll definitely have to catch that on video. Still have yet to do it. But that don't mean I'm gonna stop trying. Y'all have a good day. Bye.